Welcome back to lesson 2. Today we're going to talk about the verb be, positive again, but this time the short form. So if you remember, we use the verb be to describe ourselves and the world around us. We talk about jobs, nationalities, religions, descriptions, and feelings. When do we use the short form? We usually use this when we're talking. So instead of saying I am, we say I'm. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. You are, you're. We are, we're. They are, they're. So repeat with me. I'm, he's, she's, it's, you're, we're, there. Say, I am a teacher, or I'm a teacher. I'm cold. I'm happy. He's a teacher. He's cold. He's happy. She's a doctor. She's Chinese. She's a housewife. It's noisy. It's red. It's big. You are Omani becomes you're Omani. You're learning English. You're soldiers. We're Indian. We're students. We're 25. They're friends. They're men. They're fine men. So well done. We'll do some practice. But you can go to MGI Institute on Instagram to download the free practice worksheet. And we'll see you next time for the verb be, negative this time.